I will guide you how to fix camera scan QR code on Motorola phones. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on camera app and click on this settings icon. After click on this settings icon, scroll down and here showing you QR code. Enable and turn on QR code and turn off QR code. You will see after turn on or turn off QR code, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage and cache and clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app and click on apps. Click on camera app and click on force stop. After force stop camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.